Hi guys, welcome back to MamaDollBoss. My name is Tricelle and I'm an adult doll collector. Let's talk about some doll news. Hey everyone, are you ready for the ultimate throwback? Mine Scene dolls are officially back and trust me, they're more glam than ever. So I did hear news that these dolls are officially here to stay. I mean, you can find these dolls for $40 each on Amazon and MattelCreations.com. So let's just talk about Chelsea right now. I know I've done a review on the upcoming dolls, but now that I have more photos and I have placed an order, I'm just going to deep dive right in. So I'm loving Chelsea's little funky and flirty outfit. She's so iconic. Her denim skirt and halter top combo is so freaking cute, and this faux fur coat, major vibe. She's serving all the glitz and glam of early 2000s. Y2K never looked so good. Her accessories, hoop earrings, adorable handbag, double yes, and the knee-high boots, the straight out of the teenage dreams. Chelsea is giving us everything we didn't know we needed. Like, I'm feeling her whole ensemble. And look, they nailed it. Now, I wasn't collecting dolls when My Scene first dropped, but I wish I was. Like, I totally wish I was. Now, the designer is Javier Mabib. I hope I'm saying it right. And this doll will be a black label doll, and she will also have the face scope that says, the face scope is my scene. Anyway, it does say the body type is B2K, and I'm guessing, I don't know what that means, but I guess it's the shape of the body. Probably because I'm thinking their feet, they have peg legs like a Bratz doll. Yeah, so that is just something, and they do come with a certificate of authenticity. So yeah, I'm loving these dolls, and I'm glad and I'm hoping that the rumors are true that they are going to circulate them and keep these dolls in line and open up the dolls to more characters. Moving right along to the beautiful Madison doll. She is just serving, okay? From her butterfly top layered over a mesh tee to her double denim vibes with cargo pants and a matching handbag that is to die for, okay? Madison is serving all the nostalgic looks. Her voluminous curls, metallic ribbon headband, and platform kicks are giving major mall mania with the besties energy, and we're so here for it. At least I am. Okay, now if you love the webisodes, the blogs, and the movies from 2002 to 2009, Madison's look will have you ready to Y2 play all over again, okay? Now these accessories are just so cute. The layers of necklace with the little bracelet. I do wish they were more metallic or what have you. And I do love her sneakers. Her sneakers are super, super adorable. Now, I want to know what you guys think about these Mindseed dolls. Are you going to be collecting them? Let me know in the comments down below. Last but certainly not least, looking as iconic as ever, My Scene Barbie is ready to hit the city streets in style, okay? Decked out in her glossy red moto jacket, split hem flare pants, and pleather newsboy cap, she's a total fashion queen. From her tinted sunglasses to her glam handbag, Barbie's look is a nod to her fabulous 2002 debut, but with a refreshed edge we can't get enough of. I love her wavy blonde hair with crimp accents, perfectly framed for her OG face scope, giving us all nostalgia feels. They did Barbie justice with her bamboo earrings, but I could do without that plastic chain. I do like her belt details. The detail on her belt is super, super cute. I'm here for it all. The split pants, like I had a pair of these pants back in the 2000s, which is hilarious, but yeah, I did. I'm not gonna even lie, they were everything back then. Like, okay, but yeah, she's a total vibe. I'm here for it all. Like, whether she's hitting up her favorite coffee shop or just posing with the besties Madison and Chelsea, Barbie is ready to slay every scene. Like, I'm here for it. And I like them all as a group. Now, like I said, I really, really want to see more characters. And I just want to know your thoughts on this. How are you feeling about these new dolls? And I know the price point is a little, but since I never had my scene dolls, it was an easy fix for me. And with Christmas around the corner, I was just like, told the hubby, like, I have to have these dolls. Christmas gift, please, or early Christmas gift. Make it happen, Captain. But yeah, these dolls are everything. Next up, I want to celebrate a living legend, introducing the Barbie Tribute Collection Rita Moreno doll, a stunning homage to the Puerto Rican born EGOT winning actress, singer, and dancer who shattered barriers and lit up the world with her unmatched talent, okay? Rita is more than just a star. She's a trailblazer with an illustrious career spanning over 7 decades. She's the embodiment of perseverance, grace, and the power of representation. From being one of the first Latina actresses to win an Oscar to receive the Presidential Medal of Freedom, Rita Moreno's legacy is unparalleled. Now, I don't know all that much about her, only what I researched, but I do know that she was in West Side Story. I saw that. It's a great movie or whatnot, and she was obviously very memorable in that movie because her talent just shines through. So I'm truly, truly excited about this doll. She is $40 on Mattel Creations, and she will be available at other retailers like Target, Amazon, Walmart, things of that nature. She is a black label doll. She was designed by Javier Mabib with the Carl face sculpt, and the body type is the Gigi with the heeled feet. She also does come with a certificate of authenticity, and her outfit is giving very vintage, glam Hollywood with the gloves. It's very, very classic and beautiful in my opinion. Okay, so I heard they're coming up with a Aaliyah Barbie doll. I saw Barbie Nation do a video on this, and I had to talk about it because I absolutely adored Aaliyah. So whenever this doll drops, I have to get her. I'm interested on, how the doll is gonna look. Are they gonna use one of their own face sculpts? I hope not. I hope they can get it as close as possible to the actual singer, actress, beautiful girl. She was absolutely stunning to me. So I really hope they do this right because I know there's been talk about like with budget cuts and things of that nature, people are wondering how this doll is going to look. So I just hope Mattel they do her doll justice and make it beautiful. And it doesn't matter how she looks, I have to have this doll. So I do want to talk about the Mattel fiasco with the Wicked dolls. They did a recall, apparently, and basically just put a sticker on the back of the box and then repurpose the dolls and then put them back on shelves. I guess they figured since they wait, the recall or whatever, I'm not really sure because I don't know if you know, but the on the back of the box, the website they linked was an adult entertainment website, which is a big no-no because these dolls were marketed to children. And even as an adult doll collector, I don't want to see that. But at any rate, Mattel, yeah, just recall the boxes, put stickers on them, and I heard some of them don't even have stickers on them if you're, because they're back on shelves or whatever. But yeah, it was a whole thing, like just total craziness. Mattel, do better. You make a lot of money. Do better. Monster High and fashion lovers prepare to be spellbound. The Monster High Witch Weaver doll, in collaboration with the visionary designer Harris Reed, is here to weave its darkly glamorous magic. This isn't just a doll, it's a spellbinding work of art. Harrison Reed, known for their bold, gender fluid designs, has conjured up an otherworldly masterpiece that takes Monster High fashion to the next level. Let's start with the crystal spiderweb hat, an iconic nod to Reed's signature headpiece. The sheer harlequin blouse and midnight black bell bottoms create a look that's both ethereal and fierce. And the details don't stop there. From the sparkling jewelry to the golden rings and those high platform heels, every element of this doll screams high fashion. I love her beautiful red hair. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Standing at an impressive 15 inches tall, which weaver boasts 11 points of articulation, making it perfect for creating dynamic and magical poses. Whether you're a collector or you just love styling your dolls, this one is a dream to work with. Even the packaging is a showstopper. This doll is $75 and available right now on MattelCreations.com. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to get this doll. I'm really interested to know who's going to get this beauty. Okay, so now I want to talk about these Rainbow High Crystal Creation dolls. I heard there's not going to be any resin, which is really good news. I'm not sure if it's going to be liquid crystal because I haven't been able to find these dolls to place an order myself. I'm really interested. I do want to order them, but I heard that some of these pieces, like the skirts, are going to be plastic. MGA, what? Rainbow High was known for their beautiful and amazing fashion pieces. Like seriously, and you're throwing in plastic skirts. Please do not do the plastic on the 1/6 scale dolls. Like I get it, this is marketed to children, but understand there's a like Rainbow High has an adult doll collecting fan base. So I don't know about anyone else. I don't want to see any plastic skirts. Like I just don't, or any kind of plastic clothes for a 1/6 scale doll. I just don't. I don't want to see it. Like, I'm sorry if I'm offended anyone, but I just really don't want to see that. Otherwise, the dolls are still really beautiful. I do want to get Iris for sure. I want all of the dolls, but I just want to take a closer look. If anyone has these dolls, drop down in the comments and let me know, what is going on with these dolls. And then in fact, if there are more plastic garments. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to share and give me your comments. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Until the next time, guys. Bye.